Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, this whole video is all about how you can open your blog account just sitting in India, just sitting at your home. So how you can open your blog account in Germany. So there will be the whole procedure how you can do that, and the most important, if you want the funds for that what are the ways to get that particular funds which you need to submit in blog account. So please do watch this video till end. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, and if you want to learn German or if you are looking forward to learn German language, then you know what you have to do. This is a WhatsApp number. Here you have to WhatsApp me if you want to learn A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, teacher training program, exam preparation per module, brush up per module, exam preparation, everything under one roof. You will be getting each and everything. So why you have to worry when German Gyan is there? Now let's start the video. I hope you're gonna love it. So please make sure you watch this video till end. Let's start. So guys, the very first step is that you have to choose a bank. So what do you mean by choose a bank? So basically, in India, not every bank provide you the blog account service. So basically you have to research for the bank. Bank like Deutsche Bank, Fintiba Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These are the banks which provide you for the blog account services for the international students who want to go to Germany. Further, there will be more banks. So you need to research that which bank you have to opt for, like putting the blog account funds for Germany. So this is the first step. Now let's come to the second step. So guys, the third point is that you have to fill the application form. Now where you will get the form? So some bank will be giving you the opportunity to fill the forms online itself, because now, as you know, everything is online, but still some bank only provide you with the offline services. So maybe you can check their website. If that form is there, the application process is there, then you can go there. Otherwise you need to visit the branch, the particular branch nearby to you, and there you need to fulfill all the requirements. You need to submit all the documents. Now if you want to know like what is the whole procedure, let me just tell you. In the whole procedure, that first you need to submit the documents. Now let me just read out for you that what all are the documents which you need to submit. So first is proof of enrollment at German university or German language school. Proof of identification, which is of course your passport, which is mandated in India. In Germany it's a must. Your passport size photo, the recent photo, make sure you have to give your recent photos. Completed application form if applying in person, and if you have done the online, then of course there will be some number which you need to tell, or there will be some process. Of course they will be letting you know. Any additional document required by the bank that you also need to submit. That that can be differ bank to bank. Yeah, let's come to the second point in the whole procedure. Guys, once you are done with your submitting application and everything, the whole procedure is done, your application is approved by the bank, then of course the must and the very most important thing, you have to submit the blog account money into the banks. Now each and every bank will be having different rules and regulations, different policies and everything. So please make sure you are reading each and everything while you are doing that. So guys, once you are done with submitting your blog account, yes, the confirmation letter is important. So once you submit the amount in the bank, then bank will be providing you a confirmation letter, which is very mandated while you are going for the visa application, while you are going for the visa interview. There you also need to submit, and there you also need to show them that yes, you have this blog account, you have submitted the amount, and this letter will be very helpful while you are traveling to Germany also. So make sure you keep this letter it's very essential. So guys, the last point for this particular thing I want to tell you, that you have to manage your account. Now how you have to manage is, once everything is done, while you have shown your confirmation letter also for the visa, everything is done, visa is also done, now you will be able to access that blog account in Germany. I will again recommend you, please do carry some cash, because to unblock that account it takes little time. There is a procedure which you need to follow. There in Germany there are a lot of paperwork, so make sure you have some cash with you. It will be the best solution. So basically, once you are opened with your normal bank account in Germany, German Gyan has made up the whole detailed video how you can open your bank account in Germany. So I will be putting here or here. So it's must for you to watch it. Please do watch it. And once you are done with your bank account, from block account, every month you will be getting certain amount of the money from your blocked account, and that you can easily use for the daily basis work and everything, to enjoy your life in Germany. And this is how everything works in Germany. So block account is basically there to help you out, to make you survive while you are studying 2 years or 3 years, or like whatever years you have gone to there. So basically the block account money also keeps on changing. There is no fix, like I can tell you it is 8 lakh or 12 lakh or 15 lakh. They keep on changing according to the demand and the situation. So please make sure you watch this video, and you watch the earlier video also, and you watch the another video also, which is new changes in 2024. If you are planning to go to Germany, it's again very must. And the last video, if you haven't watched, we have made a detailed video how to step out to Germany for studies, for your master graduation. So I will be putting here the link. It's a must for you to please watch it. Let me just tell you, as I've told you in starting, that I'm gonna tell you how you can find or how you can manage your funds if you don't have the certain amount of funds for the block account. Then how and what are the ways in which you can like arrange that. So without wasting time, let's. So guys, the first way is that you can use your personal saving. Again, this is the normal thing. You can use your personal saving which you have done as a student by doing the part-time jobs or the normal jobs or some internships or something like that, or if you are doing some part-time jobs, or you can do anything. So in case you are having personal savings, you can use that. Second will be that your parents are helping you. So family support, if your family is supporting you, your father, your mother, or any family member is helping you, then of course they can help you to put that particular certain amount to your block account. Third, I will tell you is that the scholarships. So if you if you have got any scholarship for the studies or for living expenses, both you can use in your block account, so that you can easily survive in Germany with that block account. So guys, the fourth one is basically your education loan. So if you if you are willing to take education loan, then there are certain institutes, certain agencies, certain bank which provide you the student loan with less interest, so that can that can be so easy for you to pay back them and everything. So yeah, if you really want it, then you can take the education loan. The next point I will be suggesting you is that you can take a government support. So for that you need to research for the sponsored program or some agencies, some NGOs or something like that, which can help you out for the government scholarships, the government programs, or the government support. So in case they are having some criteria, so definitely you can take the benefit of that. So guys, these were the 5 ways from where you can manage your funds for the block account. So these were the 5 ways out, and the whole video, I hope you have, the whole video was how you can open the block account in Germany while sitting at your home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any idea for new YouTube video, or if you have any question related to this, then please do comment down below. I will be so much happy to answer you all. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep showering your love and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.